We got a bunch of stuff. I cleaned out the snack den and everything. Bunch of stale stuff, cookies and potato chips and peanut butter. We thought we'd do a little video this morning, give everybody a treat. And I cleaned out the refrigerator, and Albert's putting some corn and a bunch of stuff to give the chickens for a treat. They ready. Ho, 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 ho. Albert, you need to get this vine before it gets up on that thing, up on the barn too. You need to sweep in there too, baby. So it won't have rats in there. Oh, I'm gonna let you go ahead and do that, and then I'll come in. I'm not gonna try to do that. You tried to fake them out and it didn't work. That was funny. Why y'all screaming? Make sure everybody gets some. I could tell. Y'all got treats too, you just gotta wait. Look at the big baby. Sling some through the fence over there for them few. And some outside for him. Oh, okay. Just don't get it on you so you won't bring it in the house. You walk right through it. Turn that music off. You alright? I was just telling you before we get a copyright thing. Oh. Well, because if you play the music, they don't get paid for it. We coming in, y'all. Y'all gonna get treats. Everybody gonna get treats at one time. Daddy gonna take care of y'all. I know, Mr. Jimmy. I know. Be good, Stella. Be good. Why y'all fight? You already broke your horn fighting somebody. Hey, Stella, let it go. I know. Hey, Angel. I'm gonna bring you up front this week and try to work on your feet, because your feet are getting bad. Albert, what is that over your head? Right here. Right there over your head. What is that? You just have to wonder how paper got over there. And make sure when you walk around, what you got in the bucket? Eggs? Lock that. We're gonna make sure when we walk around we give the pigs a cookie or two. Ooh, the mosquitoes hurt. No, that was a mosquito. Lord, I thought I stepped in poop. I was not gonna be a happy camper. Say hey. You said Why are you so mean?
Baby.
Come on, baby. Come on, Pep Pep. Look at all the pears. They're going to enjoy that. Well, they love pears, boy.
Hey, what you fighting for? What is that?
I really don't. They must be in the barn. Poor Spike. Make sure Spike gets something too. We really got to fix this fence. Oh, Robert, this is getting bad. Make sure the pig gets some. Get up, Daddy. Y'all stop. Give me some, I'll take Spike 3. Give me 3 or 4, I'll take Spike some. What did she say?
Come on.
Make sure Pep Pep gets some. Hey, Angel Bug. Look at my baby. Look at that pretty baby. Hey. Hey, Mr. Man. Look what the mama got for you. Mama got a treat for you. Mama got a treat for that baby. Hurry up. Y'all move. Move, Blake.
Here, Blake.
Move over there trying to take his cookies from him. Come on. Here, baby. Here, baby. Throw the rooster some marshmallows. Oh, Lord, that light have been ugly. Just come away from him. They beat him up when you're all up on him. Hey, girls. Have you tried to catch the baby goat? Did you throw Pepper a cookie?
Yeah.
Spike said he's behind you. He's so sad. And why is that bowl out here, baby? Behind you? Hey, Tina, good Lord, you're huge. Hey, pretty girl. Daddy got something for you. Come on, Betty Ann. You didn't get a pig to cook yet?
Yeah.
What about Arnold?
You better give it brother up. Nah, I give it to you.
Rooster trying to give Pepper a marshmallow. I wish they'd stop trying to beat him up. Come, Betty Ann. Give me a cookie. Where's Pig Pig? Give me 2 because Pig Pig over there. Yeah, but it'll be gone by then. Daddy got you, Betty Ann. Go over there. It ain't chow call, Arnold. I want that lime spread all back here now. Hey, Betty Ann. Hey, pretty girl. I know. Tina's so beautiful. Look at all them flies. You need to dust them. You can put some lime on them, too. God, Betty Ann's got so many flies on her. Jesus. And them flies, they're hurt. Cow flies. Hey, baby. Look at Arnold.
You think it's chocolate? Hey, girl. Hey, jigaboo. Hey, child. Yeah, chocolate.
She said, Dad, I love you. She said, you gonna dust out the flies today? She said, pick this cookie up. I can't get it.
You can't get it?
She said, it's flat.
You can get
Did you get Betty Ann something?
Yeah.
She didn't want nothing?
Oh!
She's so fat, ain't she?
Yeah, man. Baby.
Happy, baby? You happy, baby? Daddy spanked my thighs. She said you gotta give her some fresh water, too. Oh! Betty Ann, why are you being mean? Well, she said no. Don't mess with her because look at the baby trying to come to me. You need to do a pickup out here too. Hey Tina Bug. Hey, Tina Bug, you trying to get some love on the sly. Trying to get some love. You mean. Roro behind you.
Hey, Roro.
Got their nails trimming all. They getting around better, ain't they? Tina Bug. Roro said last time you scratched my belly and loved on me, you trimmed my nails.
Hey, Roro.
She said I sounded like something from the bowels of hell.
Slim down. You said to slim down now.
Yep.
My belly just touched the ground now.
She said that feels so good.
Hey, Roro.
She said get them ears.
Hey, Roro.
Get them pickle pig ears. Ew. Roro, she's so tiny, ain't she? She was so big. Did good slimming them down, getting their nails trimmed. Why are you eating my shirt? Look at Tina Bug. Tina said, I don't think so, man. Tina Bug.
Come on, Tina.
You gotta dust them. Dust
on,
them with
Tina.
some little barn lime. That end looks good, don't it? Yeah. She's so hateful. Tina Bug. Miss Tina Bug. Miss Tina Bug. Tina Bug. Tina Bug. She said, don't you touch me, I'm gonna beat one of them pigs up. Ooh, look at all them flies.
She's mad.
You get that tail. What did she say?
She's not happy.
Ain't the bug happy. Tina fit to kill everybody.
Hey.
He said, hold your hand out now. He said, Mama said I'm coming in the front yard this week to get done. He said, I don't think so, man.
Hey, Roro. You know what she's waiting on, right?
Chow call.
She said there's nothing in those buckets.
Chow call. Chow call, chow call, chow call. And the rooster want everybody to see he's got a marshmallow.
Look at him too.
Oh, Lord, I like to fail. That gate has got to be fixed. It's got to. Me and you'll come down here and work on it. But they're going to have to, the dogs have to stay in while we fix it because they're going to be all in the backyard and everything.
There we go. Let's start another family.
Who? Oh! Betty Ann, stop being mean. Come here. Come here. Come here. You mad Daddy didn't bring choco? You can't be butting people. Yeah, I know it. Your child big as you is. Ranger bugs.
What you mad about?
She is not feeling you. What you did to her?
Nothing.
We've got to get Angel's feet done. Yep. Yep. Well, we just gotta. I gotta get him back in the front yard and get him back friendly again. Pick that piece of paper up too. That Ann said, I'm not gonna run for that. Angel said, Pepper said, I like them too now. Pepper said, what'd you give him? I wonder how Pepper keeps his feet done. That's amazing, isn't it? Look at Betty Ann. Betty Ann's got a straight attitude, ain't she? She said, you popped me on the butt. Make sure to throw one so she can get it. Oh, Lord, the mosquito bit me. She said, I guess that make up for it. She said, one on the ground over here.
That's it, y'all.
Tina is so big, ain't she? All right, y'all, I'm going in. I got stuff. I got to pick that trash up beside you. Oh, Stella, caught on camera.
Stop.
Stella really didn't care, did she? It looked like sweet potatoes. Make sure you fill the water things up now. And that piece of the house right there that fell from up there needs to be fixed, so you need to lay it somewhere.
What?
That piece of house that goes up there. Michael will fix it. She is not feeling you.
I didn't do it. I'll be back.
That ducks got in the pond. You see him? They love snack time. Oh. And even if we can't go on the other side, since they live in there, can you at least spray the whole thing? Oh, well, that took it all out of me then. Woo. You got to keep this shut too, because Stella tries to go in it. You didn't put the little metal thing in front of it. All right, y'all. Bye-bye.